In this video, I'm going to walk you through the solution to the challenge that I gave you at the end of the last video. So basically we're going to create two more mutations, and essentially there's going to be a create car mutation where we have an ID that's required, a make that's required, a model that's required, and a color that's required, and this is going to return a car. And then we will have remove car, which will have an ID, and this will have a Boolean value as well. So what we need to do is come down here for the mutations, and in fact what I'm going to do, I'm just going to copy this entire section and call this then create car, where we're going to extract the ID, the make, the model, and the color. And I'm going to create a car with the ID, make, model, and the color. And then we're going to take cars.push the car and return the car. Okay, that's how simple this is. And for remove car, we're going to take the ID, and again everything here is going to be the same. So we have cars, and then instead of user we just do a car, and that's pretty much it. So now if we go ahead and test this, oh, in fact there's one more thing that we need to do. Remember, we had to change the constant here, so we need to say let cars instead of const cars, otherwise we won't be able to reassign the value for the car right here. So let's come back here, refresh our playground, and I'm going to leave these mutations here, but instead I'm going to create new ones. So mutation, and let's see what do we have available. So create car, ID 4, and we need a make, so let's make it a Peugeot, a model 207, and a color which should be black, and let's just return the name. Sorry, the make even. Okay, so that got created. Let's now say, let's query for all the cars, and let's get their models back. And we have a 207 here. Wonderful. And the last test should be mutation, to actually remove the car with ID number 4. True, hitting it again should say false. And here's the final verification. We now only get these 3 models that we had before. Okay, so in this video we had a look at how to create additional mutations. In the next video we're going to go back to the source code of the application, and we're going to recreate it in a more structured way.